Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this Versace 4-piece set perfume with this little box that I purchased from Sephora for Tony. So he has more options on colognes, you know, because he has his eye set on just the Ed Hardy ones. But I want him to like see the bigger picture, that there's more colognes that are good smell too as well. Y ahí está la mami. Say hi, mommy. Right now she's like watching her cartoon, so right now she's focused on that. Okay, so right here is gonna be, look at how cute it is, guys. The smallest little ones. It's so cute for all the men out there that want to see, like, look at this, so cute. The mini colognes right here. Usually have them for women. This is the first time I see them for men. Probably there has been like other releases, but this is my first time seeing for men. You know, they're this small. Look at this, guys. Oh, it's gonna be the ones that, oops, I already got it on the, the box right here. Let me see. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Like, so clean. It's the scent of this. Look at it. Just the little detail of it. And I think I forgot why I got it for. I'll put the link below if I can find it, but I know that it's an off and on just on this one too. The Versace right here. Let me see, does it have the names on the back? It doesn't even have the, oh, well, it has them right here. The Versace right here for men. Oh, look at the little box. So cute, so adorable. So out for you men out there, you guys can get this one, the set, to see which one's worth your money when you want to purchase the full size of it. So that's what I got for Tony, para que mire which one he would like to get a full size of. And this is not bad. I think it was like $30 for all these, but you get all of these. So that's a good price too for try-ons. The Dylan Blue Versace. Look at the box. So cute. Just the notes for them. I think they smell musky clean. So, you know, even if I try to describe right here, I know this one's clean. This is going to be probably musky. But even if I describe you the scent is not the same for everybody. It smells different on their skin. I noticed that since I'm, you know, been discovering more of colognes and perfumes. But look at that. This one is gonna smell, let me see. I'll just tell you guys if it's clean, musky, or, you know. Let me see if I can open it first. Ooh, I like the little detail right there. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. So clean and fresh again. Look at that. That's detail right there. Okay. So that's the second one. They're hard to put in and out of the box, I'll tell you that much. Okay. So we've got that one, and then the next one is going to be this one. I stained it. The Versace Eros. Okay. And it's 0.17 4 ounces on this one. Again, that one and this. Okay, they're all going to be 0.17 ounces. Look at the box. They put so much detail in the box. That is too adorable. Because you can just put them in there, take them with you in the car. For the guys out there, let's see this one. Take it out. Oh, wow. Look at that. The detail right here too. Right there too, the texture. Okay, see the smell on this one. Again, this one's like a little bit more musky though. These ones are a little bit more clean. Fresh, I will say clean, fresh, and this one just a little bit more musky, but fresh as well. And this one is like more musky. I love it. Okay, then the box of this one, the Versace Eros Flame. Okay, you guys can see that. Look at the packaging, guys. That's detail right there. You know? at that. So cute, beautiful. Let me see. Let me open it. I can't even smell anymore. To me, they almost smell the same. Maybe I can't smell anymore. That's why I'm saying that. But look at that. Too adorable. So yeah, that's how it comes, guys. I wouldn't know which one would be my favorite because it all smells so good, you know. So I recommend it for any guy out there that is looking for a cologne. Just buy this set from the Sephora website and then make up your mind on which one you guys like. I like them all. There's none of these that I didn't like. I like them all. For Tony, I would think that, I don't know. I don't even know which one he would like more because I like them all. So, seriously. Like, each one has its own individual, like, you know, scent to it that I wouldn't know. But yeah, this is a close-up so you guys can see it better. Yeah, and then the back doesn't have anything, guys. It's just like came like that, and it took 4 or 5 days to come from the Sephora, you know. So yeah, that's it, guys. Let me see so you guys can see them again, just standing there out here. So it's so cute, you guys. Like colognes that you guys are eyeing on and don't know which one to get. I'll recommend you guys trying this set, as I said. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thumbs up if you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, share, and all of the above. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye. Say bye, mommy. Bye, mommy. Bye, guys.